Gama lo. And welcome to More Zion Music, a platform where we react to Zion music, ukwaba, ukula, basically your own Zion music analyst. Danko. Yes, it's a dive into this. So before we get into the video, guys, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss every time I drop. I drop daily, non-toxic, very informative Zion reaction videos. I mean every day. If I skip a day, just know good to that day I had an early morning, I had to do something, and then I'll probably post the next day. But until then, I post every single day. And when I'm trying to, it took me a while to record. I was still tired, yo. I'm still tired. So anyway, we are still reacting to Umshado Wagu believers. Well, not believers, the church, but not the believers. Not the believers. I think double CAC. I think I'm not sure. Someone in video my dal. Igama lesonto Pentecost izithembiso zenkosi. Never heard of the church before, so step right into it. I never ngidinga uthi man wasekhala abangcwele angithe awutham akusumtakini. Aye man. I showed out like Sakin. This dude looks like you. Nah, this hey, hey. No. Okay, sorry. I listen. This church is taking forever bafethu ukungena engomeni, so I had to. So number one, sikhuluma song. First part yabo, top notch. I'm not gonna lie to you. That lady nyamuzwa. Wena mina ngiyakhala ke nge-first part ukuthi ngidinga i-first part ukuthi iziqoqe. They have to come together. I try as hard as I can, guys, not to be disrespectful emabandleni, because one thing is that amabandla, they put in the effort. Yes, effort are fun. Some churches' efforts are there and standards are there. Some churches are coming along. We understand. So it would be unfair to have such a. That's why I never compare churches based on which church that I like. It would be unfair. Because imagine if I have to rate every church in status Sagamkak. That's not fair. Just because I like him. And now I'm like, I know that they're not singing. No, every church will be different from every church. But judging from the singing, yeah, they are old school. Like I Vavratoga cool. They are old school. Secondly, then I was doing a great job. No, see, so Okula the first part. I think Ushai Peka, because her voice is a little bit different from alt. Because I'm like, maybe she backs. And then yeah, I think she is a backup because her voice is just I have been alt. So when I heard that, I was like, oh okay. In my head, I'm like, oh no, you back. So if first part back, I think I'm able to. If I'm not, please do correct me. As Futo Sabo, I'm impressed now. There's nothing more. Just wanna see Gucci. Are they going to speed up? Again, guys, when I react to these churches, I try not to throw expectations as unnecessary, because now if I do that, I'm not gonna enjoy the song, because majority of the church brings up so because already you have expectation. But yeah, it's a pretty small church, and you see Gucci, they are growing. Well, I hope I'm wrong, and I do want to react to more videos as a Pentecost. So let's see. Like, do you hear Altoya? Like, do you hear Altoya? They sound like one person right now. Like, listen. Mathaningizwa kahle. Yabona i-alto yabo, hands down. Bafethu alithola le bandla lela haya ngeke. You must be lying. No, you must be lying. Netena yabo like nice and ile itena yabo iphansi. I rasi. You know, I feel bad for people ebangayizwa itena. Having a chance to have sang itena ngisakhoze khala abangcwele ne. I never realized the importance of Tena, how Tena balances out everything. Itena I rasi. People have this idea ukuthi Itena fana no. Wasa saqala sashawo yeah kutena asateni ke ayasasabheka ke asateni. It's like, guys, is it Turner? Oh, how No, you are lying, guys. I'm so sorry for repeating this part. The way I mean, the way le alto just swings kuleya part, angazi bathi abanalo uvalo ulwazi, something there. I no, I Pentecost, I Pentecost, I se vale, se vale. Guys, Pentecost, are you guys Swati? Because I can't. I'm trying to hear what you guys. Angizwa lapha. Angazi ana uvalo ubawa. What is that? Like, what are you? If somebody hears it clearer than me, please let me know. Hmm, 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 hmm. This leader can sing. My dog, you can sing. No, you can sing, bro. This lady, Omvagalo Putlo, her voice is different from Alto. It's a little bit higher. That's why I was like, is she the backer or kwezakalan or mhlambe khona, because lo ofihle umjito semuva ushaye first part, but now aphinda thule futhi. That is why ngithi abona umsebenzi we-first part ne-backer sometimes confuses me. If the same person is doing two jobs, you understand? Because that's how I feel right now. So I'm like, wait, okay, her voice is different from alto, but she's singing along. So I'm like, is she? That's why ngithi angbalance lapho, my sister. Please, if you do get a chance to see this video, please let me know. You see, she just proved my point. You see, so I'm thinking she's playing between the first party and the alto, because now yeah, I think she is the first part. Yeah, I think so she is the first part, and then Losiso Pamgake is the back. Got it. Yeah, yeah. Immobile. Wow, that was nice. That was nice. Okay. Hayi bafethu ibheyisi yale bandla leli. Like you would swear ukuthi they're singing into a microphone. Hey, Pentecost, Nina, Pentecost. Is it Pentecost? Yeah. Oh, Ay, man, the muntu spell it wrong, man. Lento le. Is it Pentecost or is it Pentecost? Which one? Because kuspellwe Pentecost la. Is it that or is it coast? Which is which? Okay, nina nonke something. Mtholo wethu. Hey, sometimes it's hard hearing. Amazawini mawacula. Hey, but as long as you get the vibe. Once you get the vibe. Oh, I think the song say, "Hey nina nonke, lethani imithwalo yenu." I think that's what the song say, but I feel like I'm missing something somewhere. And it's a beautiful song. Hey nina nonke, lethani imithwalo yenu. The song they have to be Swati. And it might be a Swati church. This might be a Swati church. Nah, they structured it song good. Yeah, nina nonke lethani imithwalo yenu. If that's that's what I'm hearing. If that's how they singing it, ah. One thing about Ingoma Sasesayun, if you have a really if you have a good songwriter, ne? If you have a good songwriter, people can take verses of Bible and create some of the best songs. Because I think there's a verse in the Bible that says, "Yeah, oh, okay, I don't know it per se, but I'm going to paraphrase it. Ethi okhathele elithi mthalo nineniwomileyo zani izophuza amanzi okuphila kimo, something like that. There's a verse specifically like that. That's why bengithi when you have a good songwriter ebandleni and the church makes music and you have a good songwriter, people can turn two verses, two, three, or like 5 passage verse into one of the biggest song ever. Like this one. This is a beautiful song. This song is beautiful. Are they saying lethani imthwalo yenu? Yeah, that last part I can't get what they're saying. Angazi bathi ukuzophumula or uzokuphumuza. Yeah. But regardless of whatever that last part says, this is a beautiful song. No, hands down, this is a beautiful song. Enikhathele nina nonke ensindayo lethani imthwalo yenu azoniphumuza. Hayi yakala boy. What hayi no, listen, look, this is a good song. No, this is a good song. No, this. Okay, another one. If that's what they are saying, oh, just a good song. Sorry for that. That is a good song. No, that is a good song. What? Nah, no. Hands down. No, Nina, Pentecost or Pentecost. I don't know which is which, man. For sure, Google. I'll get the right name. Between Pentecost and Pentecost. One of the two. No. Another one. Okay. No. That's a good song. No, that's a good song. I hit or not, I don't care. This is a good song. No, this is a good song. Like, bruh, do you imagine singing this song ekudini on a Saturday before unovusa uJesu? Like, do you get the concept, bruh? Like, yeah, we are what they did. Like, do you get the message behind the song? Lelo Versi, it is one of the most famous scriptures as I. These people turned it into a song. Homie was like, what? song slaps. Lengomine. Discharge of firearm. Mpama. Imlilo. Lethani imthwalo yenu uza kuphumuza. Eish. I feel it. No, mina nyayizwa. I don't care who says what. I feel that. You see why I don't want to read the comments before I react to it. Ngifuna ukuzizwela myself. I don't want to search ukuthi lesonto na how many years I don't care. Because now must sing is my expectation and be like, yo, now when I don't read the comments and I just strictly go into the video and listen to it, I know what I'm fresh. No one's opinion about nothing sticks on me. Lethani imthwalo yeni na nonke nsindwa. Yeni na nonke nkhathele. Lethani imthwalo yeni azokuphumuza. Ooh. Damn. That is one of the coldest verses. And the crazy part about the verse, figuratively or literally, it means the same thing. Not only does it talk about ukuphumuza imthwalo ngezinto ezikusin, forgiveness, letting go, giving things to God and stop carrying izinto as unnecessary. Just be like, God, I'm broke. Me. Okay, no, that was a bad example. Nah, you got fun. Like it's a every, you see, you hear, oh wow, another one. I know. Pentecost or Pentecost. No. You guys sound Swati to me. I thought I'm a Swat. I'm so sorry. Yeah, but yeah. Hey. No. Whoever wrote this song, whoever wrote that song, I pick ups to you. Like, you didn't, okay. Whoever constructed that verse into this song, big ups to you. No, it's hard to compose a song. It's hard to be like, guys, it's hard, yo. Song of the year for Faith Party. Nina noge ensindayo. Nina noge enikate nyasne bimba, but you get the concept. You get it. Nina noge nkatele. Nina noge ensindayo. Lethani imthwalo uzoniphumuza. Like angisana ndaba nengoma. It's the message of the song, bruh. The message of the song. It flew over a lot of people's. Yo! Hayi. No, mina ngiyanivuma mina. Hayi ngiyavuma. Ngiyavuma. Khona uzongikwatela. Hayi ngiyadlala phela. Nani ninga-chase phela kanti nandlaliseki. Awu, Anyway, wow. Okay, siqala. That lady with first part ungiconfusile in the beginning. Mina bengithi we-out. Turn out to wash her first part. Because man, yes, man, your voice is a bit different, but you are able to merge it into out. Ibhekayabo was doing a great job. Whichever way the camera was looking, bomuswa ku background. I-alto yabo, they sound like one person. They sound like one person. Akekho shiyo munye. Everybody's just standard. Isifutho sabo ke, I don't need to say anything about that. Abomchita, they were doing a simple babashaya one Twitter per beat, which was nice. It was which was also one of the slow choruses la beswalale. Ilida yabo can sing. No. He can sing. Homie can sing. Homie has a good voice. Ibase yabo sounds phenomenal. You would swear go to this entire time baba niggas microphone bathi nicela niculeni khona. Bafika ke labo bhuti laba ngevoice so im.
bafika bacula ngevoice so babe bathi enisinda akuphumuze. Oh!
Imagine, bro. Oh no! If you stayed for this long to watch this entire thing, big ups to you, man. I appreciate you guys' time. So yo, guys, you know what to do, man. Make sure you hit that like button. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Mostly, please, guys, don't be scared to recommend churches to me. And another thing. My socials angizungumfana kagama. Angeke ungithole on my social as umfana kagama. That's not my name. My name is Street Jupiter. I've been in this game for quite some time. So that name is the prominent name that people know me as. So Street Jupiter. STREETJUPITER. STREETJUPITER. That is my name across all social media platforms: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, right? I do have other YouTube channels where I do listen to separately from this. This is just you guys seeing me and how I grew up, and I'm loving it. So thank you guys for the support. This page keeps on growing every day. The numbers, we are doing crazy numbers. It's because of you guys. I really appreciate it. So guys, in the favorite word of Jupiter, adios.